May it nice and please bless also the family who prepared this food we are about to take. Please.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Josie. So, this will be the order. Ayan. So, mauuna po ang ating 18 candles. Who are our 18 candles? Can you please raise your hand, please? Okay, so before you go to our buffet, you will go to Hashmi. Ayan, you step over and then picture muna and then you may now go to the buffet. During this kabatwan. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause and stop muna kahit natin lang. There you have it, the big black bush. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Pit Black Motion. Ayan, marami po sila.
Ashley, happy birthday. I love you. Sana. Basta, dapat ako mauna bago ikaw.
Happy birthday! Thank you sa ayun. Yan, iyak din ako dito. Sa birthday mo dito. Ayan. Di ba, matandaan na talaga yung sabi mo, pwede ka na makulong. Ayan, sana mag-ingat ka sa mga choices mo. Sa ngayon, di mo rin daw, sabi mo nakakaloko. Ayun, ayusin mo kasi kung ako yan. Happy birthday ulit!
Thank you. Next one is
Hi, Ash. Before anything else, happy 18th birthday, and of course, thank you for inviting me and including us na listen. As your ate, natandaan ko na din yung age mo, I want you to keep 3 things in mind. First is to value your time more. Tsaka, do things according to your age. Sabi nga nila, minsan lang tayo maging bata. At saka, konti lang yung time natin maging bata. So, for the rest of our lives, matanda tayo. Kaya gawin mo kung ano yung nilalaban sa age mo, kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung Panginoon. Second is to know your priorities. Yung maali-aligid na gusto ko priority, sabihin mo, wait for your turn. Ganon. Tapos, ang third is to give time para sa lahat. Give time para sa friends mo, sa family, tsaka sa pleasure. So, happy birthday, Mimi! Kung kailan lang nakikipagpabulan pa tayo sa mga crush natin, lalo-lalo ganyan-ganyan. Pero ito, nandito ka na, pahinidi ka na nga, nasaan ka na talaga. So, wish ko is more achievement para sa'yo. Tapos, dapat, mauuna kang graduate, ha? Siyempre, alam mo na gano'n. Tapos, sa love life, kahit wag mo na, di ba? Kaya mo naman ng walang love life. Andito naman kami, mga friends. So, yun. I love you. Namimiss kita ng sobra.
Okay, thank you, Miss Arvida Lator. Next, Arnold Valiente. On deck, Miss Michelle Packer.
Hello, Ashley. Happy birthday. Siyempre, gusto ko din mag-thank you sa'yo sa lahat na happy memories. Tapos mag-aral kang mabuti. Siyempre, para maganda yung future natin nila ate. Mag-aral tayo mabuti. I love you.
Thank you. Next is Miss Esther Chavez.
Hi, Hans! Happy birthday! Thanks for everything, for the memories. And tsaka, dapat sabay-sabay tayo graduate. And study hard. Before anything else, dapat kahit anong gawin mo, basta mag-aral ka. And sa love life mo, basta make for the right one. Huwag ka muna magmadali. Basta wait. That's all. Happy birthday!
Thank you very much. So next is Miss Estelle Gordon. On next is Miss Flora May Calvino.
Hi!
Kanina ka ba? Kasi natutunan yung mga lalaki sa kagandahan mo. So, happy birthday, Ashlyn. Tanda ka na. Ito lang. You're old enough to know better. But, you're young enough to still do it. Kaya, ang problema mo, gawin mo. Huwag magtitiwala agad kung kanino, kilalanin mo yung mga tao na kabaligid sa'yo, at hindi ka naikipin. Kaya nanonood na share mo sa akin. Happy birthday!
Okay, thank you very much.
Happy birthday! Una sa lahat, thank you sa pag-invite mo sa akin. Tapos, thank you sa mga memories. At thankful ako kay God kasi nakakilala ako ng isang kaibigan na katulad mo. Magpakatino ka na, magdalaga ka na. Yung love life, makakapaghintay naman yan. Mag-aral ka na mabuti, tapos yun. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Miss Flora May Calvino. Next is Jennifer Bagay. And then, Miss Penny Galilebor.
Hi, Ashley. Happy birthday. Tsaka, God bless sa'yo, tsaka sa family mo. Good luck sa career na napili mo. Ayan, tsaka whatever happen, mag-pray ka lang kay God. Lagi siya sa yun, happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo at makamit mo na sa pangarap mo. Take care always, God.
Thank you. Next is Miss Princess May.
Foremost, gusto kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Actually, wala. Kaya di ako napaganda sa speech ko, pero I'm so thankful that nagkakilala tayo. Hindi ko akalain na magiging magkaibigan pa tayo. Actually, namimiss na kita. Namimiss ko na yung mga bandings natin. Kung ano may mga problema mo, alam ko lahat yun, masusulbahan mo at makakaya mo yun. At pagdating naman sa love life mo, darating din yan, I know God will give you the right time at the right time and right place. I love you and good luck sa buhay mo.
Good evening, Ashlyn. And gusto ko sabihin is that thank you for being so wonderful. Salamat sa pagiging mabait and napakabait mo sa akin. Thank you. I love you so much.
Next to Princess Calino is Christine Desiree Paco. Christine Desiree Paco.
Ikaw ba si Hash? Hash, tinitibok-tibok na mga puso na kalalakihan dito ngayon. Ayun, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka, magpatuloy yung mga narating mo, sana masudan pa, gano'n. Tapos, may pinagsamahan din tayo. Parang saya ko, sana ako yung tropang yakot. Ayun, happy birthday.
Thank you, Miss Frances Calino. Next is Christine Desiree Paco. On next is Almira Derby.
Ate Midi, happy birthday. And sana hindi ka magbago.
Lebor.
Happy 18th birthday, Ashley! Sana ma-fulfill mo lahat ng dreams mo and sana maging truly happy ka. And then remember na I'm just one call away kung kailangan mo. Yun. Happy birthday!
The last one is Miss Marsha Rosal.
Hello, Ate Mi. I wish all you the best.
Marsha Rosal. Next is Princess Gomez.
Ate Ashley, happy 18th birthday. I hope that you will not change and stay the same. I wish you all the best. Just remember that your friends are here for you. I love you and God bless.
Last one is Miss Princess Gomez.
Hello, Ash. First, happy birthday. During my high school days, schoolmate lang kita natin, nag-events tayo during the pageant. So, I wish you all the best. Good luck in your life. So, happy birthday and thank you for the friendship.
Okay, thank you, Sir Lolly. May we give them a round of applause to our 18.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 80 candles. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, so this time, yan. Every time we're happy to blow the candles. Kakahingal lang yan minsan. Careful. Hold your ear. Okay, so before our delegate blow the candle, dito tayo sa may game na let's go here. Okay, so may I request everybody to stand up and let's sing happy birthday for Ashley. Okay, join me as I count from 1, 2, 3, and let's sing. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Let's make faster this time.
Happy birthday, Ashley. Happy birthday, Ashley. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ashley.
Okay, before you blow the candle, you should make a wish. Alright, let's give it a round of applause. Thank you very much. Okay, girl.
Explain just me, but there is a mind it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks. All makes sense to me. So great place. The dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine. Love them endlessly. I will let you see things slip out of my mouth, without a cup of tea. Maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. To all those conversations, all the statements that I keep, though it may sound you never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. If I let you know I'll be for you, still things that are on my mind. 'Cause it's you, oh it's you, I'm in love with you. And all your little things, I won't let these little things slip out of my mind. 'Cause it's you, oh it's you. It's you they are up to, and I'm in love with you. And all your little things.
Marcelino, yeah. Any tips to be thrifty? Ayan. How to save money, paano mag-manage yung pera. Any tips po?
Hasli, sa pagmamanis ng pera, ako talagang Ilocano, kahit ako yung nasa servisyo ako, kasi provide ko, retired army ako. Magtitiis lang para kung binibigyan ka ng magulang mo ng 100 isang araw, hindi ka mag-ipon ng mga 10 pesos. Pag naipon niya ang lalaki yan. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, though I'm not beautiful. Hello, Ashley. Alam niyo po, nung bata ito, ako ang teacher niya ng grade 2. Although, tita niya ako. Pinaglalaban ko siya. Marami nagre-reklamo kung bakit ko siya ginawang first honors. Eh, sabi ko naman, kaya niya. Until today, na-prove namin na magkakamag-anak na kaya niya na talaga. Dahil hindi biro po yung, hindi naman kami magaling hindi biro yung pinasok niyang course. Mahirap. And mostly you are a medical technology student. Okay, I'm proud of you, anak. So, ipagpatuloy mo yan. Sana marami ka pang yung sa status mo. Mahirap talaga mag-aral dahil naranasan ko mag-aral. Mahirap ang pera noon. Pinagpapasya ko. Ano ka rin sana ngayon dahil kahit alam ko na yung mama mo, kaya-kaya niya ibigay ang mga gastos. Dapat you should leave second semester without the money that my parents will give. Kaya natalaga sila bakit ako naka-enroll na sa second semester. Yun ang ginawa ko na nakasave ako. Hindi ko kasi sabihin na gabayanin mo ako. But you should think of it. That is a challenge to you. Ang swerte mo dahil maraming gastos. So, pangalagahan mo ito. I was not prepared because initiative na sana in-intimidate mo ako na hindi ikaw yung ganito. Okay? I will challenge you to make the